Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway Sea Box Breaks for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection Box Break number 37. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is any 221157956. That's any 221157956. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. So the base card, 336 out of 499, Kyle Okposo. For the Islanders. Alternate rookies, 39 out of 499, Spencer Abbott for the Leafs. We've got an autographed jersey, 56 out of 99, Dale Hawerchuk for the Jets. And we finish off with an alternate rookie, 4 jerseys, 10 out of 50, Dougie Hamilton, Morgan Riley, Justin Schultz, and Ryan Murray. Going to randomize that between the Bruins, the Leafs, the Oilers, and the Blue Jackets. So let me get that set up 1 second. There you go. Boston, Toronto, Columbus, Edmonton, Columbus. Randomize it 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. That card goes to Columbus. Congrats to Columbus. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.